Hi, I'm attorney Samantha Gordon with McIntyre Elder Law. So we have clients that come in and they have vacation homes, and that could be in maybe a different state, say South Carolina or North Carolina, and then they have a vacation home in South Carolina. Well, what happens to that vacation home after they pass away? Really making sure that there's an estate plan in place that determines that is super important. If you have a will that determines where this property in another state goes when you pass away, what may have to happen is you open up an estate in North Carolina, which would be your main estate, and then you'd have to open up something called an ancillary estate in South Carolina to distribute that property to your heirs. If you didn't want to have to go through that probate process, which is the ugly court proceeding where you have to ask the court to administer your assets, pay money to them to do that, you can have a trust where you can have a legal vehicle where you have a pot of assets where it ensures that your trustee, the person that you've appointed to manage that pot, can distribute those assets pursuant to what your wishes are in that trust. And that can all be done outside of probate, so you can avoid having to go through that process where you open up your main estate in North Carolina and then opening up an ancillary estate in South Carolina or whatever other state that may be where your vacation home is. Also, if you maybe want your primary residence to go to this child and then the vacation home to go to this child, you want to ensure that you have a document in place that actually says what's going to happen, and also cause the least amount of stress to your heirs and your children when you want to distribute that property. So deciding if you want a will, if you want a trust with vacation home, it's a discussion that we need to have to really figure out how to meet your goals and to ensure that you have a plan in place that actually is going to follow what your wishes are. Love to have a free consultation to discuss. Telephone number is 888-999-6600, or you can visit our website at mcelderlaw.com/scheduling.
Please don't wait till it's too late.